Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you? I hope you all are very fine and you are very safe at home. Which chapter we are going through now? Third chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Is it? So, in the last class, we found the angle sum properties of polygons. Today, we will do some problems. But before doing the problem, we must know some rules or some laws. That means, in 7th standard, we had studied that angle sum property of triangles, moreover, linear pair, etc. Here, we are using some laws to solve for the unknown value or unknown angle x or y. Any variable you can take for the angle x. So, here first problem, there is a pentagon. What is the angle sum of pentagon? In the first problem, together with the angle sum property of pentagon and the linear pair property we are using here. Angle sum property of pentagon means for a pentagon how many sides? Pentagon means 5 sides. So its sum of the angle is which one? N minus 2 into 180. That means 5 minus 2 into 180. Instead of n, we will substitute which one? 5. So we will get 5 minus 2 into 180. That means 3 into 180, 540. So 540 is the angle sum of or sum of the angles of pentagon. But here some values are unknown. That means two angles are unknown. But they are same angles. The equal angles are there because same variable x is giving for both the angles. So, linear pair, using the property of linear pair, we will find one angle B. That means linear pair means sum of the angle is 180. The sum of the angles in a straight line is 180. Sum of the angles in a straight line is 180. So, by using that property, we will find B, C, D, E. And then we will use the property of pentagon, angle sum of pentagon. Then you are solving for x. So try for that problem and use the properties well. And we will get the answer for x as, that means sum of the angle V equal to which one? 540. Then question D. It is a part of regular pentagon. Regular pentagon, how we will identify this is a regular pentagon? That means there are two dashes are there. That means same symbols on all sides. That means they resembles equal sides. If all angles are in any figure are equal, then all sides are equal. All sides are equal, then angles also be equal. So, here sides are equal. So, it is understood that the angles are also equal. Now, we are going to find the angle x. 5 angles are there. So, we will find by using the angle sum property. 5x plus x, we will get the sum of the angles of a regular pentagon. Which one is? That means x plus x plus x plus x plus x. That means 5x is equal to 540. Then x is equal to 540 divided by 5, 108. This is the way you should use the properties in between the steps. That means linear property may come. Sometimes In other problems, opposite angle theorem will come. So, here we used two properties. One, angle sum property of polygons, and second one, linear property. So, sum of the angles in a regular pentagon is 5 minus 2 into 180. That means 3 into 180, 540 degree. In the next two problems also we used the properties like this, linear, pair and angle sum property. But you should observe the figures and pick out the angles and substitute the values and solve for unknown variable. Solving. Now we are very familiar for solving because the last chapter was solving the equations. Simplifying linear equations by transposing. You found how we can calculate for unknown variable x. So next problems you write down and practice well. Now we conclude the session, but you do more problems from the textbook, and in the next class we will meet with the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem says that the sum of the exterior angles of polygon is 360 degree. So we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you children.